Hello everyone, Dr. John here. Welcome to my Thursday broadcast. Today I'm continuing with the theme of nature versus nurture, the theme I discussed on Tuesday. In that broadcast I presented the strikingly similar polisher profiles for a grandmother, her daughter and her granddaughter. Do these similar profiles suggest the influence of nature, biology, when it comes to GC index proclivities? As I suggested in that broadcast, they could also be seen as the product of nurture, shaped by dialogues that become internal dialogues and passed down through the generations. Today I wanted to share with you the profiles for a pair of twins. On this slide you will see the profiles for Dan and for David. They're not identical twins, but their profiles are strikingly similar. When through conversation we validated their profiles, they readily mapped onto how the twins behaved and how they saw the world. For example, they readily recognised that strong implementer profile, saw it as their task-focused and pragmatic approach to life and to work. Pragmatism often at the expense of more imaginative possibilities, possibly reflected in the game changer profile, and pragmatism rather than the pursuit of perfection, possibly reflected here in their polisher profiles. So lots of similarities, but they did differ, as you can see, in terms of strategist. The 2-point difference, interestingly enough, between the 8 and the 6 was actually manifest in the real world. David more keen to map out and plan their future than Dan. At this stage then, we have to take a view that the nature-nurture debate relative to GC index proclivities remains open, and we would need to pursue some well-controlled research studies to take a definitive view. Nonetheless, the debate is interesting. Once again, I would welcome your thoughts.